The tool that everybody uses but no one talks about, the bench mat. So guys, welcome back to another Sawdust Diaries. This is going to be a super quick video, but Dad and I found the best bench mat either one of us have ever used, and we wanted to share it with you guys. So bench mat is something pretty much everybody uses, but because we are sign carvers, we use it a lot. And the biggest reason we use it is to keep our board from moving around as we're carving, because that gets really irritating. So for years, Dad and I both have used drawer liner, like tool drawer liner. And it's fairly cheap. I think it's like 35 bucks a roll, but you go through it pretty quick. One of the biggest downfalls with that stuff is sawdust actually gets between the bench and the mat itself. So when you clean off your bench, you have to take your mat off, clean off your bench, and clean both sides of the drawer liner. And usually you find that out as you're carving, which, like I said, is pretty irritating. So about 6 months ago, I saw that Tractor Supply was having a sale on their stall mats. And I told Dad, let's give it a shot. He fought me on it for a while, but I finally won. And it is the best bench mat we've ever used. So this thing's about 3/4 of an inch thick, and it comes in a 4 foot by 6 foot piece. So what we did is we actually cut a piece off that was 4 foot by 20 inches, and it's the perfect width, and it gives us plenty of room on our bench to actually carve and do what we need to do. This thing is really tough. So other than the piece that we cut for the bench, I'm using the rest of it to actually be the backdrop for my archery target, because sometimes I miss. And it stops arrows that are going between 285 and 300 feet per second. It works really well for that too. Now, there is one kind of downfall about it. When you first get it, it's really textured and it works really well. But because we spray our black primer, all our paint, and our clear coat usually on the mat itself, it develops this kind of glaze and it gets a little bit smooth, but we found a fix for that. Basically, we just sand it. You just give it a light sand with the rough grit sandpaper. We use 60 grit, and then it gives it that texture again, and it's like brand new. Probably my favorite thing about the bench mat is that since we've put it on the bench, it hasn't moved. We haven't had to take it off to clean out underneath it. This thing is as solid as the bench top, and man, we love it. The main reason that it stays in place is because it is so heavy. Remember, these are stall mats. They're made for horses to walk on. It's kind of a pain to get it all done and cut and everything, but once it's on there, it's not going anywhere. And if you decide to do this, use a razor knife to cut it, because we tried a few other ways and it didn't work. The razor knife was definitely the best way to go. So guys, like I said, super quick video, but we thought it would be helpful because this thing has helped us a lot. As always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and go check out all our products at makeawoodsign.com if you want to carve some signs. All right, we'll see you guys on the next one.